Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a nail tutorial. I have been on a kick with like rainbow colors, so I have decided to do a nail video of this rainbow ombre nail color, I guess you can say. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can achieve this look doing it at home instead of having to spend a lot of money at the nail salon. I know there's some nail salons that charge $10 a nail, so I am going to show you a quick and easy and cheap way of doing rainbow ombre nails. So let's go ahead and get started into this video.
So just to go over the items that we're going to need, so we have wet sponges, that's like the key thing, some alcohol, our nail polishes, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a base coat. Now I'm using gel, but you don't have to use gel to achieve this look. So because I'm using gel, I am going to use the light for 30 seconds to dry my nails. But again, if you are not using gel, you don't have to do that. And you're not going to want to do this step as well, using the alcohol if you're not using gel. So the first thing that we're going to do is take a wet sponge and put the first three colors. And the first three colors that I'm using are pink, purple, and blue. And you want to make sure that they are pretty saturated so you can actually use the technique of the wet sponge doing the ombre on your nail. And you're going to just firmly press down, which is going to make the ombre effect on your nail. And you want to use like a rocking motion when doing it. So just like from side to side. And that's how you get your ombre. Very simple. Another thing that I wanted to just let you guys know is when doing this, just kind of make sure that you are paying attention to which way your ombre is going. So if like I have pink that is closest to my pointing finger, so I'm going to make sure that the pink is going to be on that side so it actually looks like it's bleeding into the next nail. So the colors are lining up with each other so it actually looks like a rainbow, because you don't want your colors to be on opposite sides. You want it to all blend. So as you can tell, the color is not too dark. It's very faint, and this is okay. It's totally fine. This is something that you can build on. So I actually did this process 2 to 3 more times to make my desired color. Once you get the desired color that you want, the next thing that we're going to do is put a top coat. And this is a gel top coat. Like I said before, you do not have to use gel colors to achieve this look. So because I'm using the gel color, I let it sit under the light for 30 seconds. I'm taking acetone and I'm going to clean off the polish that I got on my skin. Again, you don't want to do this step if you are not using gel colors because this will take off your regular nail polish. Once you finish taking off all the polish off your skin, go ahead and use a paper towel to wipe off the residue. I'm using cuticle oil on my cuticles because they're always dry after I use acetone on my skin. And voila, all done.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.